Welcome to a totally normal PC build video. So all these parts in front of me, and these are some tweezers by the way, good to know. So these are all the parts that my friend John had laying around in storage in the UK, and he had them shipped here so I could put it together. So that's an Athlon 2 series, 4 gigs of RAM, 2 gigs each, and also this really old graphics card that was invented before fans were. So pretty cool. So it has a giant heatsink, pretty dusty. And that's the thing is, when you're working on old tech, make sure you grab your nearest duster. For me, it's something that I use to dust my camera with, and just pull it all over. It doesn't really work, but it makes you feel better inside. So now, let's go check out what we have for drives. Oh, that's a power supply. So this is actually from Chiptech in Portugal. They came in clutch. For 15 euros, you can get a 500 watt power supply. So that was good. And this is a network card. So back in the day, motherboards didn't have so many features. So you would have to get a expansion card. And there's my sock in the bottom right hand corner with my foot inside of it. And there's the drive that we're working with. Pretty solid drive. I want to get it open, but we'll wait till later. And it's pretty solid. And here's the drive that failed. So this one was from Vorten. Shame on you, because what they did was someone returned it beforehand and they put it back in the packaging and sold it as brand new. You can see the connectors are not affected, but the drive did spark and smoke inside the drive with my power supply, so that could have been very bad. That's why I always build my computers outside the case in case something happens, and there's no 3-year warranty. So yeah, that was a little bit exciting. I wish the camera was rolling, but I actually turned it off because my camera was overheating. So yeah, that was fun. But now let's see what's in these bags. We have a CD drive that's never going to fit in the case that we have with this computer parts. And then we have another bag, I think. Yeah, so it's just random fans and cables. Oh, everything's hooked up. So people think I'm a Wi-Fi wizard. All I do is just simple. It's like I say, hocus pocus, my camera lost focus. And there we go, it's on. So now let's take this drive out of the box. There we go. And let's just see if it catches on fire like the other one. But this one wasn't from Vorten. It was from Amazon. Amazon came in clutch during this quarantine, that's for sure. And it looks like everything's good. Here's the case, and here's the epic montage.